Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a manual total station in FieldGenius for Android by direction. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've hooked up to my simulator total station, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on setup there on my map screen, and if you launch your map screen right after setup, it will automatically take you to this screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on setup here, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to occupy a point. In my case, I'm just going to occupy point 1 here. I'm going to leave my instrument height at 0 meters, my target height at 0 meters, but instead of going backsight by point, I'm going to go backsight by direction here. And in this case, instead of going at 0 degrees here, I'm going to pretend I've aimed my total station at a 15-degree angle here, and I'm going to hit measure angle and distance. You're going to see here I've got a horizontal and vertical angle and a slope distance. In the real world, you'd obviously have some more concrete numbers here, but in my case, since I'm just doing this with a simulator, I've got 0, 90, and 0 meters. I'm going to hit done here, and what you're going to now see is all of the orientation results, all the statistics that are based around my setup. Obviously, since I'm using a simulator, I can't put too much stock into these numbers, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit accept, and my total station is now set up, which you can see by point 1 now being occupied by a little total station icon, so I can aim around and take some shots around the environment and start my survey. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you set up a manual total station with a backsight by direction. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.